Hello guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video, I will show you how you can add live Google reviews in your WordPress website using a free plugin. In this video, I have used a free plugin. So to install a plugin, first you have to log in to your dashboard. I will simply click on dashboard from this toolbar. Now I will install a plugin called Widgets for Google Review. So hover over plugins and click on add new. Search for widgets for Google reviews. Here at the first you can see the trustindex.io plugin widgets for Google review. Install it now. Now the plugin was successfully installed. Click on activate it. Now in the right sidebar, scroll down. Here you can see trustindex.io menu. Click on it. It will take you to plugins setting where you can set up the reviews. Now first of all you have to connect your Google platform. I will click on connect. This pop-up will appear. Here you have to add your Google business name or your location. I will add my location. Here I will select this location and then I will click connect. Now wait until it updates your business or location. Now here you can see your place was connected successfully, and here the reviews that I have on my location or my Google business was appears. Now here is layouts. You can see all layouts in this are slider which you can use like this on your web page. Sidebar. This widget works for your sidebars. Here is the list. You can use this layout to create a new dedicated page for your Google reviews, or you can use a grid to add reviews on your blog page. You can select badge. This can be used in footer. You can use button. This can be used in header, or you can use a plotting widget. You can use it for plotting from the bottom right, or also you can use a pop-up, but here I will use slider. So I will select slider. Now you have some slider layouts. Here is the slider one. I have this one. Here also I have some other options to show my reviews, but I will use first one. Now I will click on select. Wait until it loads your reviews. Now it will take you to select style tab. Here you have to select a style. Here you can see a light background with large reviews, light border 3D. Here is the light border large, red border, drop shadow, and at the end you can select your review style with some great backgrounds. But I will go back to top. You can select any of these styles. I will select this drop shadow. Now you have to set up your widget. Here you have some widget settings. You can filter your ratings for only 4 and 5-star reviews or only for 5-star reviews. But the honest practice is that you should show all reviews to show your services quality to your customers. So I will select show all. You can change the language if you want. Here you can change its alignment. You can make it center, left, right, or justify. Left is perfect. Here is the hide reviews without comments. You can check it. Hide rating text. I will uncheck it. Here you can see the navigation arrows and show reviewers photo. I will enable it. Enable mouse over animation, show platform logos and platform stars. Everything is done. Just I will click on save and get code. Now the design of your Google reviews was completed. Now you can use this shortcode to add your Google reviews into your pages. So I will copy this code and go to pages. Now I will select a page. I will edit this page with Elementor. Now under my hero section I will add a shortcode widget. And in the enter shortcode box I will add this shortcode. Now update the page. Now I will preview the changes. Now under my hero section here you can see I have these reviews. Click on these arrows to see the next review. You can also use these reviews in classic editor. For this go back to your dashboard. Hover over pages or posts where you want to add it and click on add new. Here I will add page name reviews and I will paste code here. Now I will publish this page. Now the page was successfully published. I will view the page. So here on it you can see it will appear like that. You can use list layout instead of this slider layout too. That will show your entire reviews on this page. So you can create a dedicated reviews page for your Google reviews. That's how you can add your live Google reviews in your WordPress page using Elementor and in a classic editor. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates about WordPress. Thanks for watching.